I would now like to invite our head of school, Mr. Sean, to close the assembly.
Thank you. Valentina, thank you. Justin, thank you. Good job. Okay, really all I want to say is thank you. A big thank you to everybody, really, in the school for what has been this morning a wonderful community event. It's been wonderful to be able to put this together. And so we hope that everybody has enjoyed and had a wonderful time. So thank you. I also want to recognize and thank all of the teachers for all of they've done during the course of the semester. Thank you all. And also our support staff in so many different departments in the school. So thank you all for what you have done for our school. Thank you. To you students, what am I? I'm so excited. Today is holiday time. Okay, but I'm also excited because all of you have worked so hard and so well and made such fantastic progress in your studies, in your work, in your activities, in all of the things that you've done in the school over the last semester. So well done to each and every single one of you. Good job. To you parents, we are very grateful and thank you for coming. Very grateful for your support. We know that it's been a difficult semester as well for many of you. It's very nice to see you here. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for coming this morning, and thank you for supporting your students, our students, your children, in the many aspects at home. Thank you all very much. Thank you. And so finally, I just want to say, I wish you all a very happy, restful holiday, wherever normally it's in the world you may be, but wherever in Vietnam you may be. Thank you, and have a wonderful holiday. Thank you.